Welcome to the Grey Atom YouTube channel. Here you'll get everything from a webinar, student diary, Data Science Fridays where your questions are answered. Basically everything that you need to get yourself upskilled in data sciences. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, have a look at the videos, and if you find something interesting, don't forget to like it. Follow us socially and we will be there always serving you the best. The philosophy at Grey Atom of learning by doing things seems to have resonated with a lot of you. And we have received a lot of questions over the past few days about what exactly is this learn is equal to do real work, and how do hackathons and hiring challenges, some of these terms which are tossed around. So people really wanted some clarity about what some of these terms essentially mean. Hi, my name is Mayuresh. I am co-founder at Grey Atom. I look after the admissions and counseling. So I've had the good privilege of speaking to a lot of aspirants, close to 3,000 aspirants over the last 1.5 years, and I've learned a lot from them, the questions that typically pop up, and one of the things that I do through this web series is to help people make that transition, answer all their questions and offer them some solid, genuine advice about how to make this transition possible. So we have a question for today, and the question is, what are hiring challenges? Now, what exactly is a hiring challenge? And hiring challenge is essentially very similar to what an hackathon is. And hiring challenge is when a company comes to the campus and essentially they are very keen on onboarding talent. They are looking at people whom they can take in their teams so that they can solve some of their problems. So again, structurally the same things repeat. They give you a problem statement, they give you a data set, they tell you how it is going to be evaluated. They would most likely want you to work in teams because that is very, very critical. Once you work in teams, once you build out the whole solution, you are again asked to present it back to the whole panel. Once you present it to the whole panel, they would essentially be asking you a lot of questions, and this questioning can typically go on for 45 minutes. At the end of the whole process, if there are 4 teams which are presented to a particular panel, the company would essentially come back, that they are really interested in all the 4 teams, or they are really interested in 3 teams or 2 teams, and then the people who are in those teams are invited for a round of a personal interview. And then there is a very different kind of a process that varies by the company. So you can have a face-to-face interview, you can have an in-depth interview, you can actually have a quantitative aptitude test after the hackathon, because that's when they want to go one-on-one, solo, and not as a team effort. So this is how a hiring challenge typically works. It starts off with the campus. You're given the challenge, you are given time, you're typically given 2 to 3 full weeks to work on it as a team, to come back and to present to the panel, and then there is a whole solo effort, one-on-one, which goes on between the company and the individual. Why do the hiring challenges? Why companies are interested? Companies are really interested to look at you, whether you are able to onboard the domain, you're able to understand their business and are able to deliver the solution. They really want to look at you and your data skills in a very short point in time. Why you should be doing it is that if you do this kind of a project, it really adds value to you, it gives you a lot of exposure, it gets you a lot of feedback, it also adds to your portfolio. So you should definitely be taking part in all the hackathons and hiring challenges that are coming your way, and building out your repository. So hackathons are very integral part of way of life at Grey Atom. Each student essentially goes through it and they learn through all these hackathons. And hiring challenges is something that are actually loaded towards the end of the program. Once we believe that a student has reached a particular level of maturity and particular understanding, that's when the hiring challenges essentially come into play. I hope you have understood what a hackathon is, what a hiring challenges are. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Awesome! Congratulations! Thank you so much for watching this video end to end. On this particular channel, you'll find everything that it takes to upskill you to become a data scientist. We have the 100% proven recipe. Check out the goodies over here, the workshops, the programs, and there's a number right here. Feel free to call me and I'll be very happy to help you with your journey in upskilling yourself and becoming a data scientist. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. Just make sure that if you like this particular video, don't forget to like it and follow us socially. I'll be there
helping you out with how to make that transition happen for you.
Log on to Grey Atom's learning platform to unlock more content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.